Hi, I'm Varian.
And I'm Jan. We're
And
from
we're
the
from
Philippines. And we're here in
New Zealand.
Hi, nandito kami sa New Zealand and we're from the Philippines. So nakarating kami dito sa tulong ni Immigration Advisors New Zealand.
Yes, so mabuhay!
Mabuhay!
Nakita namin yung mga opportunities for both study and work. Tapos yung actually si Jan nakita niya yung advertisement ng Immigration Advisors New Zealand Limited nung nakita niya sa Facebook. Tapos parang naka-promo pa yata kay noon. So yun, parang nag-send ng inquiry tapos sumagot naman agad. Tapos pretty much yun na yun, parang pwede nga namin sabihin parang kahit paano hindi naman talaga ganung 100% plano, pero since the opportunity was there, we grabbed it.
Yeah. Back in the Philippines, I worked as a financial advisor. Tapos dito, nung pumunta na kami dito, so we took the student path. So ako nag-aral, tapos siya naman
May work visa.
Work visa. Yung work mo is
Ako IT security ako sa Pilipinas. Tapos nakita ko na maraming job openings dito for IT people, IT security people. So I said, we took it in. Yan. We took the chance.
So, yun kaya din kami nag-decide pumunta dito. It's because of, syempre, for the future din ng anak namin. And yes, di ba, mas maganda naman yung, kumbaga, yung opportunities na binibigay ng New Zealand. So, why not, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay, so yung process na pag-apply namin here, yung tulong na nagawa sa amin ni Immigration Advisors New Zealand is yung talagang detailed process. Thank you for Leia. Actually, inisa-isa niya kami, tinulungan niya kami from start to end in submitting all the documents. Well, of course, kasama din doon when we started is syempre, inano muna yung TOR, transcript of records, kasi nga student pathway. So, lahat ng documents about school, academics. Tapos, they matched it with kung ano yung mga experiences namin sa Philippines. So, ako, since financial advisor, so I took the path na apply business naman. Kasi yun ang medyo in line with my course and at the same time with my work. Tapos, from there, hinanapan na kami ng Immigration Advisors New Zealand ng school. Tapos, ayun na, submission. Then, I also took yung PTE, yung English Proficiency
Test.
Yun. So, from there, ayun na, lahat ng documents, sobrang, Leia was so supportive and Leia was so hands-on in helping everything. Diba?
Yeah.
So, yun, ganun. At first, syempre at first, since nakita ko nga siya sa ang tawag
Facebook.
dito sa Facebook ads lang, medyo hesitant kasi medyo nakakatakot. Parang, kasi ang tawag dito, since dito sila naka-base,
wala sa Philippines.
wala sa Philippines.
Parang wala kang makausap. Pero in reality, medyo at least yung Leo was
Mas
there.
advantage nga actually kasi at least the immigration advisor know the
Andito.
rules.
Andito na sila.
Di ba?
So, it helped na na parang there was really a whole team. Mararamdaman mo na parang kahit hindi malaki yung team ng Immigration Advisors New Zealand. So they had to address certain things. Syempre kaya ako inisip ko talagang buti na lang kumuha kami ng advisors kasi parang
mahirapan tayo.
Wala kaming time, wala kaming experience sa ganito Talagang first time lang namin. Tapos tsaka syempre yung nagpapalit-palit. Minsan hindi mo alam kung papalit yung rules ng immigration
Oo.
So at least pag yung nangyari nagkaroon ng slight changes sa rules, may advice kami para makasubmit ng updated documents ganyan.
And actually, ang bilis lang ng process kasi parang once na all documents are completed, submit mo lang. And then you're okay. Kumbaga parang you just have to wait for them to lodge it. Tapos yung lodgement, yung process, ang dali pa rin. Ang bilis actually.
Yes.
So yun, sobrang galing ng Immigration Advisors New Zealand about that. Especially si Leia.
Yan. Special mention sa team sila Leia, si Vanda, right?
Si Vanda na.
Yeah, was really a big help. explaining the process, explaining, what, pretty much what to expect, of the process. And then, yeah, so we're here, and sana ho, yung the rest who are thinking, na consider New Zealand, consider
getting also immigration advisors
advisor
New Zealand.
yeah, para madali ho, para less headaches talaga.
Oo.
Kaya kung feel nyo nga na gusto niya talaga magsumubok na mag-explore mag-explore ng opportunities sa New Zealand, we do suggest na you take in Immigration Advisors New Zealand Limited. Makikita nyo naman sila sa Facebook. Then you can do your own research. Makikita nyo na marami na silang natulungan eh. Kahit sa Pilipinas, kahit sabi nga namin wala silang office doon. I mean, give them a try, communicate, and yung inquiry nyo, parang form lang yun eh, di ba? Nag-fill up lang ng form, then mabilis. So give them a try. Give New Zealand a try.
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, then you can talk to Leia kasi talagang Filipina, yan. Hindi ka matatakot, hindi ka ma-intimidate
iba yun.
baka maubusan ka ng English sa kakausap ng mga Kiwis dito. Pero you can directly talk to Leia, schedule your interview with her, and she will really walk you through everything.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And Immigration Advisors
New Zealand. And good luck po sa atin lahat. Salamat.